Whether you're giving a presentation at work or you're speaking at an event, public speaking can be daunting. But fear not. By following some simple tips and tricks, you can become a confident and effective public speaker. One of the most important things you can do to improve your public speaking is to practice. The more you practice, the more confident you will feel when it's time to give your speech. So practice in front of a mirror, in front of friends or family, or even record yourself and watch it back. This will help you identify any areas where you need to improve, such as your body language or the pacing of your speech. Knowing your audience is key to being a successful public speaker. It's important to understand who you'll be speaking to, what their interests and needs are, and what they expect from your presentation. This will help you tailor your speech to your audience and ensure that you're delivering the right message in the most effective way possible. Visual aids can be a great way to enhance your presentation and engage your audience. So whether it's a slideshow, a video, or a handout, visual aids can help you illustrate your points and make your presentation more memorable. But be careful to not rely too heavily on them. Your speech should be the focus, not your visual aids. Confidence is key when it comes to public speaking. Even if you're feeling nervous on the inside, try to project confidence on the outside. Stand tall, make eye contact with your audience, and speak with a clear and steady voice. Remember that you're the expert of your topic, and your audience is there to listen to you. Finally, it's important to connect with your audience. You want to create a rapport with them and make them feel engaged and interested in what you're saying. You can do this by using anecdotes, humor, or even asking questions. Encourage your audience to participate and make them feel like they're part of the presentation. Public speaking can be intimidating, but it doesn't have to be. By practicing, knowing your audience, using visual aids, being confident, and connecting with your audience, you can become a better public speaker. Remember, the most important thing is to be yourself and speak from the heart. Thank you for watching.